Well, that was a bit of fun, but I feel like I'm working with apprentices again. The thing is, when it comes to bandsaws, you really just want a mate that you can rely on. And let's be honest, there's no shortage of so-called mates these days. You've got Rikon, Laguna, Woodfast, but aren't they really just the same machine painted a different colour? That's where Sherwood comes in. Sherwood offer a range of heavy-duty bandsaws designed to work hard in demanding Aussie workshops. Built in Taiwan and comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty as standard. And it's all supported by Timbecon's in-house customer service team. Sherwood, a workmate you can rely on.